Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for checking in today here at Millgap Farms. I'm Kevin Connor. My wife Emily and I are the owners of Millgap Farms, Virginia's only organic maple syrup farm. And we are getting ready for the season, the maple season, which is going to begin here in a couple of weeks. In doing so, we have a lot of little projects around the barn and into the woods that we are taking care of. Today's project is connecting the lines, which are right behind me. You see them at the ladder. We're connecting those lines to the barn. We've already got the line pulled to the barn and tensioned, so that's good. Now we've got to connect the line from that point you see behind me right over to, let me see if I can show you. You see a bunch of holes? That's different configurations. So that line on the, let me see, that side is what we're going to connect. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to connect this line up and have it set up kind of what you see right up. You can't really see it above me, but there's a second line right there. That's our south line. The line over there we're working on now is our north line. We're going to connect that up right now. As always, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. If there's something that you think we could do a video on, let us know. We would love to do it. If you guys like what you're seeing, thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. So come along and watch what we're about to do. So let's talk a little bit about the connectors that we're going to use, guys. It's a quick connector. We use them all around the farm. It's just basically sort of like a little locking mechanism here. When it comes apart, you have two sections, there you go, and rubber gasket in between, okay? Both of these sections are tapered right here, and when that clamp goes around, it pulls that taper together and creates the seal. What we need in our maple lines is the best seal or seals. I think we can call it a seal, the best seal possible. The tighter the system, the less likely we're going to lose vacuum, and that's really important. And so that we've been working on our extractor here in the barn and getting it reconfigured, and that's why you saw a couple extra holes in the side of the building. Until we get it exactly right, we're not going to replace that metal because we may have to drill a couple more holes. And you know, this is a work in process. Every season we want to tweak a few things here and there. And so by adding these quick connectors, that's going to enable us to take the lines down outside of the maple season if we need to in order to do our garden. Because our garden is right up behind the barn. And our tractor's a little too tall because the lines sweep down. And so we take them off. This quick connector makes that fast. So we're going to connect this guy. I'm going to show you right here. Basically what we're going to do is take this and push it onto here. Well, it's cold. If you didn't notice, it's cold. It snowed last night again. And this is not going to want to go on this at all. So we're going to put a little bit of heat to it to warm it up. And we're going to push it on all the way to that point there. Put a couple hose clamps around it. And it's going to be where it needs to be. Here we go. Wow, guys, it's snowing again, and we gotta say we love the snow. does not want to go on. Not at all. Not at all. Boy. Oh my gosh. It does not want to go on. It's warm. Guys, you never want to heat up here. If you heat up here and you're pushing really hard, it's going to kink. So you don't want to do that. You want to put your heat right around the edge and just expand it just a little bit here and then push steady without putting it into a bind. Gosh. Okay. That's on. Wasn't pretty. Okay. Now, gotta go back and get her pipe. Guys, we need to put our clamps on, and as soon as we put our clamps on, we're going to get hung up high where it needs to be, and we'll be done with this section. Guys, I think we can get away with one clamp, but to be safe, we're going to put, these are hose clamps. We're going to put these two hose clamps on each side. Guys, we need to get the main line tighter to this high tensile wire. And to do that, we're going to put on one of those little wire ties right there. I'm going to show you how we do it. So guys, we've looped it around, and now we got to put our tool on it. Of course, I say that, we got two hands and a camera. This is hard. This is harder than I thought. All right, now you can see we got it looped. We're using our shoulder to push it up, and all we're going to do is a quick turn. And really, that's it. We'll put a second one on here just to hold it and make sure we're good. But for the most part, that's where we need to be. You guys can see, this is what we installed today. This is the Quick Connect, our hose clamps. It was pretty easy. I'm lying, it's not easy. It just hurt. We didn't kink it anywhere, and then life is good. The sun's coming up, and it's time to do our chores. We've got to go feed the animals and let the sheep into the pasture. Today is feed day for the cattle and the sheep, so we're going to feed them some hay. Always, we thank you guys for watching our videos. Guys, please give us that thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch our videos. We hope that you're learning more about maple syrup on each video that we do. We're not too far away from the season, and we still got a bunch more work to do. So we're gonna keep putting out some videos for you. Until next time, God bless you guys.